First, select an image of a news article. Then go to the text option, click on Detail, and choose the Magnify effect. Apply the effect to the specific area you want to highlight. Increase the values of the two available settings to make the effect clearer, and add a keyframe. Move the effect to the end of the area you want to highlight and place it properly, then add another keyframe. To make the animation smoother, select the third graph from the Ease option. Now, to create a more realistic animation, add a magnifying glass from the PIP, Picture-in-Picture, option. Place the magnifying glass correctly over the Magnify effect and repeat the previous process.